asuntoskeittiö Torin portti, Kivimiehenkatu 7, sinne Kouvola. D955, it's 6027. Now I can continue, maybe. Hopeful. 955, it's 6027. Fourth floor. 3 plus 240 kilograms. Basement is locked up, so I only got one ride up, or one full ride up. Ground floor. Is built by Kivimiehenkatu, maintained by Kone. Fourth floor. The elevator only stops at lower basement, not at upper basement, so this elevator is 6 floors tall. It only has 5 stops. Ground floor. Fourth floor. Ground floor. First floor, but it's and half floor above the ground floor. That's